Waterloo Healthcare has been solely focused on manufacturing medical carts for well over 50 years. Our customer service team brings decades of experience and strives to provide the best mobile storage solutions for each and every customer. When you choose Waterloo Healthcare, you are partnering with a true manufacturer with an eye towards quality and innovation. Our carts are built from the ground up from high-quality sheet steel and aluminum. Managing each step in the manufacturing process allows us to maintain a high level of product integrity as we monitor quality throughout production. Each stage of our process, from laser cutting to forming the cabinets, to powder painting and final assembly, is monitored to ensure we maintain a level of quality that surpasses that of the carts we've been building for decades. There are Waterloo carts in the field that were built in the 1970s and are still in service today, a true testament to the quality we build into each and every cart we make. As a manufacturer, we are uniquely able to provide custom cart solutions for your medical storage needs. More than likely, we already have a cart to meet your requirements. If one of our existing cart designs doesn't offer the optimal solution, we have the resources to review custom design options with you. We are dedicated to providing the best possible aluminum and steel procedure carts for the medical industry. As requirements for security and the need for rapid access to critical supplies change, we are poised and ready to create a purpose-built cart for you. Every Waterloo employee, from customer service to our manufacturing, assembly, and shipping team, is dedicated to ensure that the Waterloo carts you order are carefully assembled and packaged to meet your mobile storage needs for years to come.